The Skoda Fabia III from 2014 to 2021 uses an indirect tire pressure monitoring system, or TPMS. Unlike direct systems with sensors in the tires, this indirect system relies on the car's ABS wheel speed sensors to detect pressure differences. When a tire is underinflated, it spins faster than the others, which triggers the warning light on your dashboard. This video will show you how to reset that light after addressing the issue. The TPMS indicator on your Skoda Fabia III requires resetting in several situations to maintain accurate monitoring. You'll need to reset the TPMS after adjusting tire pressures to ensure the system recognizes the new baseline. Tire rotations change wheel positions, so reset the TPMS to recalibrate for each wheel's speed sensors. Seasonal temperature changes can affect tire pressure, triggering the TPMS light and requiring a reset for accurate monitoring. Resetting recalibrates the TPMS to the current tire pressures and ensures accurate warnings for safety. Ignoring the TPMS light can compromise safety by allowing underinflated tires, reduce fuel efficiency, and cause quicker tire wear. Before resetting the TPMS, use a tire pressure gauge to check all tires are inflated to the manufacturer recommended pressures. Find the recommended pressures on a sticker inside your driver's side door. Typical values are around 2.2 to 2.4 bar for front tires and 2.0 to 2.2 bar for rear, but always check your specific vehicle. Also verify the tire sidewall markings. Use a portable inflator if needed to adjust pressures. To reset the TPMS via the infotainment system, start by turning the ignition to position 2, which powers accessories without starting the engine. Next, use the menu button on the steering wheel to navigate through the menus. Go to Car, then Settings, and select Tire Pressure. Once in the tire pressure menu, select Reset or Set to initiate the reset process. The system will prompt you to confirm the reset. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete it. Some Skoda Fabia III models feature a dedicated TPMS reset button for an alternative reset method. This button is typically located near the gear stick or under the infotainment system. To reset, press and hold the button for about 5 seconds until the TPMS light flashes or goes out. After resetting the TPMS, drive your Skoda Fabia III at a steady speed of 20 to 30 kilometers per hour, which is approximately 12 to 19 miles per hour, for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the system to recalibrate and learn the new tire pressures. The TPMS light should turn off during this drive. Avoid unnecessary hard turns or sudden stops during this process. If the TPMS light doesn't go off after resetting and driving, first double-check that all tire pressures are at the correct manufacturer specifications. If the light still persists, this could indicate a faulty ABS sensor or another underlying issue. In such cases, it's recommended to consult a professional mechanic or use an OBD2 scanner to diagnose the problem more thoroughly. Additionally, be aware that firmware updates through VCDS diagnostic software can sometimes resolve false positive warnings by recalibrating the system. Remember that indirect TPMS is less accurate than direct TPMS systems. Regularly check your tire pressures every 1-2 weeks and before long trips, even after resetting the TPMS. Future trends point towards direct TPMS becoming more prevalent, possibly even mandatory, offering real-time pressure data and integration with smartphone apps for monitoring. DIY resets are generally reliable, but professional resets are recommended post-tire changes to avoid calibration errors.